Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the OBD-Roman 2 port and powering the tool. This gives the scanner a communication path to the ECU. Once done, turn the ignition to on, make sure accessories are live, because many sensors only report with power applied. If you use an app, pair the adapter to your phone at this step. Confirm the scanner shows a stable connection. You're doing this to establish reliable data flow, so skip delays and move to code retrieval immediately. You now run a full scan to pull stored, pending, and permanent DTCs. Read the code descriptions to know what system reported an issue. Next, open live data streams, monitor RPM, coolant temperature, MAF volts, O2 readings, and short-term fuel trims, because steady values versus spikes reveal real faults. Once done, capture freeze frame and screenshots. These snapshots let you compare before and after repairs. Make sure to note conditions like engine temp and load while you record. You finish by clearing codes only when you've addressed the root cause. Then rerun the scan and take a short road test while watching live PIDs to confirm the fault doesn't return. If codes reappear, use freeze frame and live data to narrow down conditions that trigger the code. One key troubleshooting tip. If the scanner won't connect, inspect the vehicle's OBD fuse and adapter power first, then repair Bluetooth. Most failures are simple power or pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.